Best performance cars for 2024, 2023 Acura TLX Type S. As the automotive industry gears up for the best performance cars of 2024, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S stands out as a prime contender. Known for its dynamic performance, sophisticated design, and advanced technology, the TLX Type S is poised to captivate enthusiasts and luxury car aficionados alike. The 2023 Acura TLX Type S makes an immediate impression with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The vehicle's sleek lines, sculpted bodywork, and bold front fascia create a commanding presence on the road. The signature diamond pentagon grille, flanked by jewel-eye LED headlights, enhances its sporty appeal, while the quad exhaust outlets hint at its performance capabilities. Every detail, from the 20-inch alloy wheels to the aerodynamic side skirts, is meticulously crafted to optimize both aesthetics and functionality. Under the hood, the TLX Type S is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that delivers an exhilarating 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. This potent engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Acura's Super Handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system enhances traction and stability, ensuring precise handling and control in various driving conditions. The adaptive damper system further refines the ride quality, offering a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Inside, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S offers a luxurious and driver-centric cabin. Premium materials, such as perforated Milano leather, ultra-suede accents, and aluminum trim, create an atmosphere of sophistication and sportiness. The front sport seats provide excellent support, making long drives comfortable and spirited driving enjoyable. The advanced True Touchpad interface, featuring a high-resolution 10.2-inch display, offers intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Additional tech highlights include a premium ELS Studio 3D sound system, wireless charging, and an array of connectivity features. Safety and driver assistance technologies are also paramount in the TLX Type S. The Acura Watch suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring peace of mind for both everyday commuting and high-performance driving. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Acura TLX Type S represents the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and innovation. Its bold design, impressive performance, and sophisticated features make it an ideal choice for drivers seeking a high-performance sedan that does not compromise on comfort or technology. In a competitive market, the 2023 Acura TLX Type S stands out as a true testament to Acura's commitment to engineering excellence and driving pleasure. With its blend of raw power, precision handling, and luxurious amenities, the TLX Type S is set to captivate drivers and secure its place among the elite performance cars of 2024.